What's the get ready playlist, V?
Oh my gosh, no. No offense.
What's the song?
What's the song? No, but maybe like, you know what? Moloko, Bring It Back.
Okay, that's what we're playing.
Okay.
How does it go?
No.
Yeah, just a little bit.
No. Guys, let's get started. I'm really late.
To what?
To somewhere that I won't remember tomorrow. Bon, how do I look like? What's happening?
The drama. We want drama on the eyes.
Okay, so if we want drama on the eyes, we're going to do black glitter. If we do this, we need concealer first. And then I'm going to show you how you do black smoky eyes with glitter quickly without looking like a raccoon. And that's going to stay on all night because when you party, not like I remember how that was, but when you party, you don't want to think of your makeup, you want to forget about it. You have more other things to do than thinking of your makeup.
Well, tonight will bring you back.
I wish. I'm like the only one dancing at like parties usually until the end. I just love it.
Are we alone or?
Oh yeah, I don't care.
Okay.
I just have my fun, you know? Because I used to go out very young. I was doing, we said I was doing le mur, we say in French. Je faisais le mur. And that means like you run out. Run away? No, run away?
Sneak out.
Sneak out? Okay, just quickly, I'm using a black eye stick. And you start by your lash line and then you blend with your finger upward. You always want the dark heart to be by your lash line. So yeah, we'll go to gay clubs, disco ones on Monday night. Le Queen, for those who know.
What were you wearing on your eyes? And
I was stealing my mother's Gautier top. I think it was transparent. It was written sex, love, probably death, like, and then I had red lipstick on. Leather pants. I mean, I was no joke.
Do we have a picture for that evidence?
I wish. I think I lost because of all my moves. I lost my picture.
Halloween costume, younger you.
Huh?
As a Halloween costume, you could be younger you.
Oh my gosh, that should be something. I had a pink piece of hair.
What?
Yeah. I love pink hair. It's my dream hair.
Have you ever done it?
Not completely. Like Megan, when I met her, Megan works with me at product development. I met her when I moved to New York. She had pink hair. That was my fantasy. I mean, it doesn't look as good on me. Just the truth.
Are you applying this a bit harder to get more pigment or no?
No, not really, but I kind of like that it's not too glam, you know, a bit more rock and roll. So you see I'm making it a bit more dramatic, a little bit more. And this doesn't dry up. I thought it will dry up. It doesn't. Usually that kind of annoys me because especially black at the end of the day is going to be all over my face. But thanks to the glitter, it will kind of like hold it together. Let's see. In the meantime, I'm going to put some blush. This one is a MAC one, but good luck for coordinating it. There's no...
It's a kit.
Yeah, it's from the kit. Okay, so pink blush, especially when you're olive skin or you're pale and you do black eyes, you really want pink blush. Okay, so I'm gonna have glitter. I'm gonna use it. It's very, very thin. That's a secret, okay? So you don't have to use glue and then you come back home very late and you have to do a whole thing to remove the makeup. And I'm just gonna pat it on top. So it's more a pigment than a glitter. Because it's so thin, I'm not gonna have glitter all over my face, but I'm still gonna do a little wipe and then I can pat again. Voila. So usually I like black glitter, to be honest. This is a bit gray for me. So it's so easy, you just grab, put all over your mobile eyelid. That's why the secret is to use very thin glitter. Voila, and then I'm going to clean up a bit.
Well, who are you going out with tonight? Talk about New Year's.
Yeah, like
What do you normally do?
But I'm just finding an excuse to go dancing, to be honest. So we're just going to a friend's party.
Does Steven dance?
He dances. I love when he dances, actually.
Can you do an impression?
No, it's too sensual for the audience.
Oh!
Sorry, I just got excessive shame. That's what we want. That's what Margaret wants.
Sorry, Margaret. Okay, so I put a bit more concealer. Now, tons of mascara. Don't be shy.
Are you gonna color your lashes?
No, because I already have mascara. I'm just gonna add, and it's okay if it's how do you say clumsy?
Clumpy.
Clumpy? Clumpy?
Clumsy is like falling.
Oh no, you don't want this clumsy then. You see, dramatic lashes makes the whole difference.
Would you add lashes to this or?
No. Gotta go with what you have, you know?
Yeah.
Also, I like when I come back home, they takes me like 2 seconds to remove my makeup. That's why I love to double cleanse. Have you guys tried the Purito oil that I love so much?
I haven't tried it.
Oh, you didn't?
I want to try.
Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed. It's like, but voila.
So how was the year for you? I'm closing your, you see her eyes?
Loaded.
She was busy. She was booked and busy. She was booked and busy. No one saw her.
What do you mean? You saw me the most.
I did?
But most of the time I'm at the office.
I guess.
I mean, this year was incredible. I got to realize, make my dream come true. I just wish for a word with benevolence. Can you say that? Yeah, I think benevolence is a key for many things. Many things. So that's what I'm wishing for. But to me, this is not New Year's Eve. The real New Year's is on September 1st.
See, this is just an excuse to dance.
So it's just an excuse to dance. Purely.
What time are you coming home?
Oh, I don't know. I don't want to know.
3, 4. Should we go karaoke? We have to book that. we do. Actually, no, seriously, we have to clear your calendar. We're going karaoke one night.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, even Bordy's like,
I love karaoke.
my gosh, are we gonna do it?
Yeah, he has to come with us. It's after, you know what?
Why can't you say the word?
Because it's not out yet.
It might be out there.
It won't be. Oh, yeah.
I feel like people are gonna watch this video, you guys are gonna be like, what are they talking about? We don't understand anything they're saying in this video. We're spending too much time together with this team. Bon.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay, let's go.
Boom, guys.
My mic is falling down my panties, okay?
Well, someone has to sanitize it. It's not me, but...
Let's get a video of her doing
Let's go.
Yeah.